maybe your door panel looks like this. In this series, we're going to do taking apart your GC8 one panel at a time. So taking this panel off, it gives you access to the speaker, gives you access to the window motor, and then the back of the switch. There's only 4 things you need to do to take off this particular panel. There's a screw right down in here. It's a Phillips screw. There's a little clip right here that will pop out. This has to be removed right here. And then you have to disconnect this little trim piece right here. So in real time, let's do it. And once the door panel is removed, there's the electrical connector for the back side that connects to the switch, and then that's your door panel. When reassembling, you'll line up all these little clips and pop them, just knock them into the door, and it'll repeat the steps that we just did right there, but in backwards order. One panel at a time.